Okay, so I'm having a problem with my second generation Focusrite Scarlett 18i20. Uh, it does great, records great. I love it when I do drums and multi-tracking, but it's got a problem with just basic playback here with my computer setup. So what happens is that, sorry, there's playback here just to prove my point. There's a dim light that consistently goes on by itself, and it actually shows up on the Focusrite Control at the exact same time when it dims. Now, this usually kicks in right with standard use and standard volume.
You just push the button and away it goes. And so and the Chinese writing quite low. It means white ghost.
So the dim will usually
to be this really intimidating
go on and off.
And no one knows who he is until the very end of the
Don't know
film.
why.
The henchmen go to Steven Seagal's
it's driving me
He
insane.
beats them up. Then he has dialogue, and I guess those guys.
It's really hard to get it while it's happening.
Unconscious? Did they
run away? Okay, so it just kicked on. I don't know if there was a limiting or anything. It feels like it's trying to be limiting, but it's not doing it. Turn it off.
Then they leave the club, and Steven Seagal is outside in the alleyway. He kills everyone except this guy.
I don't know if it's because of it's too loud, but I doubt it, because that's normal use, or if it's trying to limit the output somehow, but that would the software would have to know. I'm not quite sure. But this generally the dim function goes in and out. I can't figure why. Like, I'll hit the mute, that works fine. And I'll hit them both at the same time, that's fine too. Should be dimmed. I'll turn it off. And bring it back up to midnight.
The priest tells him that the older sister was kidnapped. And this is
there you go.
Seagal says the line.
It's going in and out. It's going in and out. And I'm trying not to get a curse there. But there we are. See? What is happening? I'll try to turn it off. No, it kicks back on. Turn it off. Goes back on.
Did you notice the bug flying around? They could have
Let me go to...
take, or they could have CGI'd it out or something. I got
some bad news for you. See?
And then...
And guess what?
And I feel like something has to be playing for it to happen. Because it'll kick in the dim function here without me clicking on it. It'll just come up. Maybe it'll do it. Here we go. Just did it. It goes on and off. I don't get it. It'll go on and off. See what's going on here? If anybody has any ideas, let me know. This is really stumping me. Really stumping me. It's annoying because I would like to get the functionality out of this, but it hinders me from being productive. So, it'll go on and off. See? And it's not even that loud. It's just... Even if I unclick it, it's still like sketching. So I don't know if there's something sticking here with the button. I don't know. It's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts. Because anytime that I'll disengage it, it'll jump right back on. I want to punch this thing sometimes. Anyway, if any of you know how to fix this or any way to deal with this, let me know. Thanks.